Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's already like Saturday morning, it's probably about 8:20-ish. It's already 74 degrees. It's gonna be a hot weekend. So I know we're gonna be in the pool a bit. I got some friends coming over tomorrow as well. So I wanna make sure to get that pool clean. So we're gonna clean the pool today. I'll show you how I do that. Alright, so we got our skimmer. You can see in the other videos that I've done how I installed that. I also bought this kit, I believe it was a couple years ago. It's probably 2 or 3 years old now. I can put a link in the description below to this Intex pool cleaning kit. I have the this piece here. That came with the skimmer set. So I just attached that to the hose that came with the cleaning set, and I'll attach that to this as well. And that'll be what I use to vacuum out the bottom of the pool. As you can see, the pump is off right now. Maybe as you can hear, not as you can see. As you can hear, the pump is off right now. So we want to start cleaning the pool. You want to make sure that the pump is off before you start. I'm going to get everything set up here and show you guys how I clean the pool. I turn on the pool now. I got the got everything in the water here. So this is part of the cleaning kit. It's like this vacuum. It's also got a like a filter inside there. See that? Little mesh filter. So that'll catch all the big particles. And then I also keep the filter basket in on the skimmer. So what we want to do here, you want to get all of the air out of the hose. And the easiest way to do this is to turn the pump on and then walk this piece So I take that piece over to the pump and fill it up with the water there. And now we just place this piece into the skimmer area. Sometimes I take the door off, sometimes I leave it on. But it's easy to remove, you just can't twist it, pull it off. Set that aside. Just run through the hose and the adapter through the thing, and once you put it on top there, now we're sucking everything through. There's a little air in there, won't be too bad. Just give the pump a second to kind of catch up and get the air out of there. And then you'll be ready to start vacuuming. Alright, we've got pretty good suction on the pump now, so now you just take the vacuum, go throughout the whole bottom and clean it all up. This is the first time that I've cleaned the pool this year, so yes, it's a bit dirty. I try to go slow enough so that I don't stir the debris up on the bottom of the pool, but yet fast enough or I'm not here all day, because you know, eventually we want to enjoy the pool, right? So I'll stand in this one spot for a bit and I'll get as much as I can get, just reaching from this one spot, and then I'll move the hose a little bit, kind of go around a circle and get it all cleaned and covered out. So yeah, like I was saying, this is the first I've really cleaned the pool this year. That's why it's pretty dirty right now. We've had a few storms, have blown some leaves and debris in there, so skimmer works great at getting all the stuff that floats, obviously. But when it's heavy enough or gets saturated enough and just drops to the bottom, that's where you gotta use the vacuum. Someday I might get one of those automatic vacuums. That'd be pretty cool, but that costs money. You know, money doesn't grow on trees, right? So if it's really dirty, I might need to stop halfway through and clean out that filter that's inside the cleaner down there. There's quite a bit of chunks in here, and then there's that dang cottonwood. It's been terrible the last few weeks. We had a really good windstorm the other day, so hopefully most of it's knocked out of the tree now, but not even my trees. Like 2, 3, 4 houses over. It goes everywhere. Drove by some houses and it looks like there's snow on the ground because there's so much cotton in there. It's pretty cool. So there was 2 attachments for the head on this cleaning device, and one of them's got brushes on it, the other one doesn't. So I used the one with no brushes for a while, and then I had to do some brushing on the pool, so I just put this one on, and then I guess I've left this one on there. I haven't swapped out the heads yet. Plus the little extra gentle brushing action. Can't hurt anything down there. It gets the pool extra clean. The suction of the vacuum with this pump that I have is good enough. I mean, it's good. It's good enough to even like suck up the sand particles on the bottom, sand and dirt that get in there. Alright, pool is looking way better. Got all that junk off the bottom cleaned out. So now we can pull the hoses out. See if we can do this one-handed. Usually you turn the pump off. And I typically lift this up, kind of let the water drain. It does have a flapper in there, so it won't the debris shouldn't go back out, but there's always a little bit that does. So now, because there's no suction here, this is also released. Just pop that back through. Put the door back on. This is all the junk that I cleared out of the skimmer basket this morning. Just put the cover back on. Make sure there's no air left in here. Now we can turn the filter back on. So you can see here, we got quite a bit of stuff out of the bottom of there. A bunch of sand as well. Sometimes that's from me not doing a very good job of letting it rinse after I backwash it. So, but yeah, you know, you can see me. I just go around the edge, all the way around the pool, and covers it. The temperature is, I think it's about, let's see here, I don't know, outside it's already in the 70s, and the pool temp, it's about like 77. Pretty sure it'll be 80 by the end of the day. The heat index is supposed to be in the 90s here today, so we're gonna be out here having some fun. You should come. All right, so there we have it. Pool's ready to go for this beautiful summer weekend here in Wisconsin. You don't take any of that. Don't take it. I mowed the yard yesterday. I did bag it because, like I said, we're going to be in the pool today, so I want to make sure that we're not taking a bunch of grass clippings in there, because then I'll have to be cleaning it every day. It means I can only mow the lawn less then. I don't want that. So hey, thanks for watching, everyone. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe for more content, and hit that bell to be notified next time I upload a video. Have a great weekend, everyone.